right, tell me your name and where you're from.
Alisha from Alabama.
Alisha from Alabama. What are you doing here today?
Here to skydive.
Oh, skydiving. Why do you want to do that?
It's a thrill, once in a lifetime thing.
Outstanding. Are you excited, nervous? What are you thinking?
Super pumped.
Not nervous at all?
No, not really.
All right, we're going to see if that changes a little bit up there, all right?
Okay.
Cool. You got anything to say to your family and friends?
No, let's go.
Good to go? Nothing
Yeah.
fun?
No.
All right, we'll see you on the ground then. Let's do it, all right? On the ground, sit down. How was it?
It was awesome.
Awesome,
Yeah,
awesome.
nothing
Nice
like it.
job. Come back and do it again, all right?
All right.